Charli went in the washing machine, spinning around and round. When she came out, she was very clean, but her face was upside down. Her mother hung her out to dry, like any mother would, 'cause the tumble dryer could have made it worse, and that would not be good. "What do you think you were doing?" her mother asked with sorrow. "My poor little upside down girl. You've still got school tomorrow." When she got to school, the class could see that something wasn't right. Her eyes were where her mouth should be. It really was a sight. Malakai was puzzled. He nearly flipped his lid. When Charli tried to talk to him, he ran away and hid. The words that Charli spoke, the things she tried to say, came out muddled up and turned around the other way. Instead of saying to Malakai, "Would you like to come and play?" she said, "Yeah, Mama Charli." This made no sense in any way. "We can perform an operation," said her teacher, Mrs Fenny. "I've done it twice before. Once on Tom and once on Benny." So she put Charli in a tire and rolled her up a hill, and then she rolled her down, and when she stopped and she was still, Mrs Fenny's operation was a wonderful success. Charli was the right way round again, no longer such a mess. "You never see me yet," said Charli with a gasp. "Oh dear," said Mrs Fenny, trying not to laugh. So Charli had to wait and see if she once again could speak, and it was good news for Charli. She was back to normal in a week.